Njogu wa Njoroge hamwe na aini matiganite na a Kenya ni marikitie gucakaya ndeto ya kieha muno irekitie kuhanika. Two very sad and unfortunate deaths. Igutha inene muno kuri Senator wa Kiambu Karogo wa Thang'wa hamwe na family yake. It is a dark day and dark week for them. Oho ni gukirite kiana ihoru inene muno mathiko-ini ma the husband to Monica Kagoni, Jimmy Kagoni, who sadly lost his grandmother urarita mami wao na umuthi niguo mekumuhurukagia mwena wa Murang'a County. It started with a very emotional body viewing kuria thutha ucio mwiri wa shosho wa Kagoni ukorirwo gikuo na kwerekerio mucii kwao kuria kwirwo na ngari ya mwanya muno, this very large hearse, kuria aini family arata ona nginya atongoria matiganite muco akuma kaunti ya Murang'a meyumiririe na njira nene muno kunyitirira na kunyitanira na family ino. Mheshimiwa Ndindi Nyoro, Ngugi wa Karanja, Garuya Junior, Akinyo wa Iratu ona nginya Moses Kuria, othe ari among andu aria meiguita mekinyitie mathiko-ini maya makugira maitu wa Kagoni kwa heri. Na ni riuma igongona igemuna ria mwanya muno, though a very sad and dark day for Jimmy Kagoni and Monica Kagoni and the entire family. Shosho has been granted a befitting send-off na arohuruka thayo na pole once again to the family of Jimmy Kagoni and Monica Kagoni. Na rukuri ndeto ingi ina kihana ina ruo muno. Senator wa Kiambu County Karogo wa Thang'wa, who has suffered two tragic losses, hamwe na family yake. Karogo wa Thang'wa ni arikitie gukwirwo ni brother yake, na oho another brother of his has also lost his wife. The wife no rakwite mbere na now yesterday marakwirwo ni brother yake, na agikiuga it is a very very dark and painful day and moment for them. Ti hauthu gukorwo makwirirwo ni andu eri family-ini hamwe. Na Njogu wa Njoroge ni atongoretie a Kenya na aini hari kumiriria family ino agikiuga, my brother Karogo wa Thang'wa, my thoughts and prayers are with you and your family. May God the Comforter speak unto your heart and give you solace. May our brother and sister rest in peace. Ngai arohe family ino hinya, Ngai aromomiriria ma. May God grant the departed souls kihuruko kiega.